For the second year in a row, MADD has partnered with law firm Rainwater, Holt Sexton to make sure you get home safely on New Year's Eve. If you need a ride anywhere in Central Arkansas, all you have to do is call a yellow cab at 222-2222 and tell them Rainwater, Holt Sexton is paying. Then the cab will pick you up and take you home.
We handle cases all the time where somebody is drunk and they've run into somebody and hurt them. And we figured this was our way to maybe stop that because we see the bad consequences of bad decisions all the time.
Again, as long as you're in Yellow Cab's service area, just give them a call between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. and tell them Rainwater, Holt Sexton is paying. They'll take you home for free.
Another option to get you and your car home safely, J-Hook Towing. This year, the tow service is free. You can call them 501-955-2400, and the tow truck will come get you and your vehicle and take you home. If you didn't catch that phone number, you can find the company's contact information right now on our website, THV11.com.
Anyone in Ouachita County has an easy way to get home safe on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. Call the sheriff. Yeah, the Ouachita County Sheriff's Department posted this on Facebook today saying they want to help get you home safe. You can call their dispatch line and request a free ride. Don't worry, you won't be in any trouble. They'd rather see you drunk and safe than drunk and in jail. By the way, Johnson County Sheriff's Office is offering a similar service.